This 125-foot POHIR Power Washer Hose offers a very long reach that makes it easy to clean large driveways, siding, and equipment without constantly moving the machine. The steel wire braided construction and synthetic rubber inner tube give the hose a rugged, professional feel that stands up well to frequent use and rough surfaces. It is rated for high working pressure in the 4,200 pound per square inch class, with a strong safety margin that suits both demanding home users and lighter commercial jobs. The 3/8-inch quick connect fittings latch on securely and make swapping hoses or tools much faster than threaded connections, while also helping to minimize annoying leaks. Thoughtful engineering and materials keep kinking under control, so the hose is easier to drag around corners, coil up after use, and store neatly on a reel. The included adapters for common M2214mm style connections make the hose compatible with many popular pressure washer brands right out of the box.